Most drivers assume you have to spend a fortune to get elite stopping power and regularly overpay by 200% at the dealership or buy big-name performance brands. But that's not always true. In fact, many budget-friendly brake pad manufacturers supply original equipment parts to major automakers or use the same friction technologies found in far more expensive products. Professional mechanics know these hidden gems, but most everyday drivers completely overlook them. In this video, we are revealing 5 cheap brake pad brands that offer incredible value, impressive durability, and reliable stopping power. Stick until the end because I will also reveal a secret 2-letter edge code stamped on every legal pad that instantly exposes its true quality, so you never get ripped off again. Let's dive in. Number 5. Raybestos Element 3. Raybestos is one of those brands that many younger drivers overlook simply because it doesn't dominate advertising like some competitors. Yet the company has been involved in brake technology for more than 100 years, and its Element 3 brake pads consistently impress both mechanics and automotive testers. Despite costing 25 to 45% less than many premium options, they feature enhanced hybrid technology, blending ceramic and semi-metallic materials to strike an excellent balance between stopping power, low dust, and long service life. This hybrid design helps maintain consistent braking performance even when rotor temperatures climb above 500 degrees Fahrenheit during repeated stops. Many Element 3 pads also use premium multi-layer noise-dampening shims that dramatically reduce squealing and pedal vibration. In repeated stop-and-go driving, they resist brake fade better than many budget pads that make them a great choice for heavier sedans, crossovers, and light trucks. Drivers frequently report getting 40,000 to over 70,000 miles from a set under normal driving conditions. Installation of Raybestos Element 3 brake pads is also straightforward because most kits include the required hardware that save you additional money at the repair shop. If you want premium-level braking without the premium price tag, then Raybestos Element 3 is one of the biggest bargains available. Number 4. Akebono Pro Act Ultra Premium Ceramic. Akebono is one of the automotive industry's best-kept secrets because millions of drivers use its brake pads every day without even realizing it. The company is a major original equipment supplier for manufacturers including Honda, Toyota, Nissan, Mazda, Subaru, Lexus, Infiniti, and Acura, meaning many new vehicles leave the factory with Akebono brakes already installed. Its Pro Act Ultra Premium ceramic pads are engineered to deliver factory-quality braking while typically costing 20 to 40% less than buying replacement pads from a dealership. Akebono's proprietary ceramic friction material produces exceptionally low brake dust that helps wheels to stay cleaner and reduces abrasive rotor wear over time. The Akebono Pro Act Ultra Premium Ceramic is also designed to operate quietly across a wide temperature range because of its precision-cut shims and carefully engineered friction formulations. During independent brake testing, ceramic compounds like those used by Akebono consistently provide stable friction characteristics under everyday driving conditions that helps in smoother and more predictable stops. Many owners report getting 60,000 to more than 80,000 miles from a single set. Although they are not marketed as performance pads, but they deliver excellent pedal feel, impressive longevity, and outstanding comfort for daily drivers. If you are looking for true OEM quality braking without paying dealership prices, then Akebono Pro Act is easily one of the smartest brake pad investments you can make. Number 3. Centric Posi Quiet. Centric may not be the first name that comes to mind when shopping for brake pads, but ask experienced technicians and you will quickly discover why it has such a loyal following. The company's Posi Quiet series is engineered using premium friction compounds combined with positive molding technology. That is, a manufacturing process that applies thousands of pounds of pressure to permanently bond the friction material to the backing plate. This produces a denser, more uniform brake pad that wears more evenly and delivers more consistent stopping performance throughout its lifespan. Every pad is precision scorched before leaving the factory. This pre-burns away excess resins on the friction surface and dramatically reduces the break-in period and allows drivers to enjoy smoother braking almost immediately after installation. Centric also uses premium multi-layer shims and chamfered edges to minimize brake squeal and vibration. This makes them noticeably quieter than many inexpensive aftermarket pads. Their ceramic formulations generate relatively low brake dust that helps to preserve both wheel appearance and rotor life. Depending on the application, Posi Quiet pads typically cost 30 to 50% less than many premium OEM replacements while still providing dependable stopping power. Many drivers achieve 50,000 to 70,000 miles of service life under normal driving conditions. For anyone seeking premium refinement, reliable braking performance, and outstanding value, Centric Posi Quiet remains one of the aftermarket's most underrated hidden gems. Number 2. Bendix Premium Ceramic. Bendix has been a respected name in braking technology for nearly a century, yet many everyday drivers still walk right past it in auto parts stores. That's surprising because Bendix manufactures braking components not only for passenger vehicles, but also for heavy-duty trucks, buses, and commercial fleets where reliability is absolutely critical. Its premium ceramic brake pads typically cost 25 to 45% less than dealership replacements, while delivering remarkably similar everyday stopping performance. Bendix uses advanced ceramic friction compounds that generate significantly less brake dust that helps to keep alloy wheels cleaner and reduces abrasive wear on rotors. Multi-layer rubberized shims and precision-machined backing plates also minimize squealing and vibration that create a smoother and quieter driving experience. During repeated stop-and-go driving, ceramic pads maintain more consistent friction than many low-cost organic compounds and reduce the chances of brake fade. Most Bendix kits also include premium stainless steel installation hardware that saves you additional money during brake service. Many owners report service lives of 50,000 to 70,000 miles. When you compare performance, durability, and price, Bendix delivers outstanding value that's hard to beat. Number 1. PowerStop Z17 Evolution Clean Ride. Taking the number 1 spot is a brand that's rapidly becoming a favorite among both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics: PowerStop. While many people know the company for its performance brake kits, but its Z17 Evolution Clean Ride ceramic brake pads are one of the biggest bargains in today's aftermarket. These pads are engineered with low-dust ceramic compounds that can reduce visible brake dust by up to 30% or more compared with many traditional semi-metallic pads. This helps your wheels stay cleaner for longer. Every pad is also thermal scorched at the factory, which is a process that removes impurities from the friction surface and significantly shortens the break-in period. This allows drivers to experience smooth, consistent braking almost immediately after pad installation. Precision chamfered edges and slotted friction surfaces of Z17 brake pads help to reduce vibration, improve heat dissipation, and help eliminate annoying brake squeal. Premium dual-layer rubberized shims further absorb noise that make them some of the quietest, budget-friendly pads available. Most kits also include stainless steel hardware and ceramic brake lubricant, meaning you will have nearly everything needed for a professional quality installation right out of the box. Despite all these premium features, the Z17 pads typically cost 30 to 50% less than many OEM dealership brake pads. Many owners report service lives of 40,000 to over 70,000 miles under normal driving conditions. For drivers seeking the perfect combination of affordability, quiet operation, low dust, and dependable stopping power, the PowerStop Z17 Evolution Clean Ride is arguably the biggest hidden gold mine on today's brake pad market. That wraps up our list of the most affordable and reliable brake pads you can buy. But before you leave, I am about to reveal an insider mechanic trick that dealerships desperately pray you never discover. This trick could completely change the way you shop for brake pads forever. The 2-letter edge code. Every single brake pad sold legally in North America has its true, unedited performance capability permanently stamped right on the back of the pad. This is the Department of Transportation, or DOT, friction edge code. No matter how much a company brags about its space-age formula or racing bite in commercials, but they can't lie to the federal government. This stamped code always ends in 2 distinct letters which represent the exact friction coefficient of the pad material under 2 specific testing parameters. The first letter tells you the cold friction coefficient tested between 200 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, Ratings like FF, FG, GG, and HH are the most common. For example, an FF-rated pad provides moderate friction, while a GG-rated pad delivers stronger, more consistent stopping power under a wider range of temperatures. An HH rating is typically found on heavy-duty or high-performance applications where maximum friction is required. If you find a cheap, overlooked budget pad stamped with an FF or a GG rating, it will mechanically stop your vehicle just as fast or faster than a $200 premium pad stamped with the exact same letters. So the next time you're shopping for brake pads, don't just look at the brand name or the price tag. Look for the 2-letter edge code, while saving you a significant amount of money. That's all for this video. Which brake pad brand has worked best for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.